Hey Steve, thanks so much for purchasing these templates. I know we really appreciate it and we really appreciate your business. I know Lee's built out a bunch of templates for you, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of go through the quirks of the templates just so you have that down, and I'll briefly go through just to how to remind you how to change out background images. But I think you pretty much have everything down, so bear with me because I'm going to do all three of these templates grouped as one, so it makes it a little bit easier. So what we have here is we have your homepage template in Lead Pages Builder. I want to show you, this will be a little bit different for the other template, but I want to show you how to edit these videos. Lee had built this similar type functionality for you on a previous one, I think. So here, this would be the top on each of these templates. If there's two of these images, the top image is just for a plain image, and then the bottom one is for a video. And it should look like a video, but they may not, but just keep that in mind that the bottom images are all videos. So for this template, it's pretty straightforward. I'll start up here. The styles panel, you can change the menu buttons and the colors and the backgrounds for that specific one. So that's straightforward, and then this accent button is also right here, button background color right there. Sorry if I'm yelling at you. Okay, and then, so that's, I'll just go through the colors, I guess. So that's accent button one. If you come down to this thing right here, you see that the pricing head background you can change right there, and then the background of this you can also change, and you can type in whatever color the background is, the hex code, into this input right there too to get it to match exactly. So then we have the pricing table. So your pricing table popular background color. So this one will change this right there. And then we can change the hover color to be whatever it is. And I also have the ability to change that too, because we have those as two separate things. So that's in the style panel too. You can also change the button background colors. Oh, wrong one. So if we expand this, you can see that I changed that. And I think that's about it for the color panel. So if you want to go ahead, go in and edit anything specifically, just travel over to the styles panel and it'll all work. This is a button accent color too, so that would be up here. All right, sweet. So now what I want to do is show you the videos. So you wanted each of these to have their own pop-up. So basically, you can come over to the control panel and do it, but it only goes to video 9, and you actually have 11 videos on here. So you can either edit the videos by clicking on them up here, or you can come over to the content panel, which I think would be the best because two of them won't fit on this control panel. So just come over to this side and edit it. So let's start from the bottom. Say we want to get rid of this. You want your thumbnail here, so you just click on it, upload whatever image, and then this would be video 11. So then I'm going to come over here and click video options and paste in YouTube embed code right there. So now when I save the page, that should work. Let's publish it and see what happens. But that works on each of those videos. So depending on whether you choose to use image or video, just go ahead and add all your videos here. So it basically goes video 1 would be video 1, video 2 would be video 2, video 3 would be video 3. So just paste in that link and then upload the thumbnail here. So let's publish the page to see. And we'll go down to the very bottom. And there you can see that the video comes up. So this actually isn't broken. I know it looks like it is, but it takes it a little bit to load. So you can see right there. But I think it's just because it's this specific video. So sweet.
The days I can't see your eyes, I don't even want to open my.
Alright, so that's the basic for this template. So what I'm going to do is exit out of that. So now what I'm going to show you is the other templates. So I'm going to get out of this and go into our templates. I think the next one I'll show you is the second one that you had sent us. So for this one, the videos you can actually edit in the control panel because there's not as many. So instead of having to go over to the content section, you can just go to the control panel and upload the video. The colors are also on this where the styles are, and what I'm also going to show you is, so you can edit the videos. Oh, you know what? I need to fix that. So anyway, just edit all the videos in the content panel because this won't be here. So video 1, here I'll just paste in, oh, here's the thumbnail, and then this would be video 1. So you just paste in the embed right there, and then I'll hide this. So for this one, yeah, all the colors again are in the styles panel, and you can change the button color, all the testimonial stuff. You can change this line. So these are images. So if you want to upload your own, just click on it and upload your own. But this line right here, you can also change. Schedule line color. And then you can change this pricing table, these top parts. So there's that one, that one. Oh, and I put the font color in there too. And that one. Or if you want to change the font, you can just hover over it and change it up here. This is the button accent color, so when you change it, that'll change that. So you wanted to be able to change the testimonial background, so let's just go over that again pretty quickly. Here's the testimonial, ebook testimonial. So what you do for the testimonial is you hide if you want to upload your own image. So you can either come over here to the control panel, background, testimonial, and change it with one of our images. Or what you can do is you can come over to ebook testimonial, hide the background layer, come to the image, expand custom background, come to image, and then select image options, and then upload your picture here. And there you go. That's how you change the backgrounds. So if you want to change then these wells and all this stuff for the testimonial, we'll just come over here, make it white. The paragraph text black, change this color. You can either hover over this stuff too, but I put it here too. Boom, done. And then these images, you wanted to be able to add square images, so you can do that too, and that's the maximum width it'll get. So if you want the images to be smaller, then you'll need to make them smaller. But if you want them bigger, then that's as big as they get. Oh, and then also another thing is, I know you wanted the different images for the options for the background. You wanted the different options for the background images. So for this section, you're going to come over here to background header. And then I have all 4 of those images uploaded here. So you can pick any of the ones that we custom did for you over here, which would be easier. So that's it for the second one. So now let's go to the third one. And this video will be in each of the templates in the control panel. And then, like I kind of stated before, you're going to edit all the videos from the content panel, because I'm going to take that out of the control panel. If you want to fast forward, so here's your third template. If you want to fast forward through this until you get to the lead page builder part, go for it. All right, so here's the third template based on Unbounce, which I love this template. I think this one's awesome. I don't think there's anything too tricky about this. There's no videos in it, so that's all good. We'll just go through it. So same thing, you can change the menu button colors up here. And you can also change the regular button accent colors right here. And then here's the sidebar widget. You can change this background color over here, and then you can click on this to change the text. And then here's this, the links. So you can change this link color to be whatever you want it to be up here. And then it's not going to work in the builder, but it'll work once the page is published. And if you see, like, if you click on group 2, you can just type in the title. But what I want to say is, like, if you click group 2 is associated with the section 2 text, or with that whole section, so that's how it works, but you don't need a link to it. It'll just automatically do that once it's loaded. So how this will look is like this. So when you scroll, I think I'm on the wrong template. Hold on. So when you scroll, it will just move like that. So that's how the template works. So that's about it. Thank you, Steve. Have a great weekend. Thank you.